the all-new Fleetneck Engineered Beam FMAX207. When we were redesigning the Fleetneck series to incorporate the engineered beam frame design, we thought, why stop there? This is the strongest single-wheel gooseneck trailer in its class. It has some unmatched features you can't find anywhere but on an FMAX. The frame. The FMAX207 features a class-exclusive 14-inch engineered beam frame. A 14-inch frame is unheard of when it comes to a gooseneck with just two 7,000-pound axles. Don't be fooled though. This frame doesn't eat up a single additional pound of payload than its old-school counterparts. The retractable front deck step solves the common issue of fixed front deck steps being bent in low clearance situations. When not in use, these steps tuck up and fold away nicely right up against the outer frame. It's no secret, many other manufacturers offer their own variation of the two wide ramps. But make no mistake, Diamond C just raised the bar. The most common issue with wide ramp designs are the springs. These max ramps are balanced very evenly, helping you raise them from the deck and the ground with ease. Next is the hinges and loading. The 2-point hinges on the max ramps are concealed and protected inside the ramp bodies, not exposed on the bumper like most. These hinges transfer the force of the load into the knees of the ramps to prevent the back of the trailer from sagging and kicking the ramps up when loading heavy equipment on the dovetail. This creates a stable, safe loading experience. With a GVWR of 15,500 pounds, the FMAX207 is pound for pound the baddest single-wheel gooseneck trailer on the market. Check it out at diamondc.com to find your nearest dealer. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you on the road.